So welcome back to the second video on Saturday the 5th of October. We're in Central area now, just outside Central Pier. So it even seems even more busier here. Terrace bar. Always a lovely place to sit. Love a bit of music on my channel. Yeah, they're not letting anybody go down on the front, but we did do it further down in South Shore. But yeah, them waves are dangerous and they drift very fast if you used to go in there. This will be absolutely packed tonight round here. You won't be able to move tonight. We've got the last week of the World Championship fireworks and it's the USA. And the USA always do things quite good, don't they? Better be careful what I say. I've got US followers. Lovely people. I'm forever blowing bubbles. Yeah, loads of people about. The old clothing that people wearing makes it look cold, but it's not. Yeah, sunny Blackpool, 5th of October. Yeah, I think you don't really need a coat. I've only got a sweatshirt on and it's a thin one. Some people have got coats on. There's a few t-shirt brigade about. But yeah, so tonight this whole area will be totally different. And yeah, I will come down. Mind you, I will come down and do it. The time this video goes out, it will be done and dusted. Done and dusted. But yeah, promenade. Yeah, our seaside town doesn't close off when the kids go back to school, as you can see. We keep going here.
Yeah. No, Blackpool.
Coral Island over there, our biggest amusement arcade with a separate over 18s section. Well, two private sections of casino for over 18s if you want some peace. Glorious skies, isn't it? the old food and drink stalls all setting up for tonight. I wouldn't want to queue for that lot. You should see it later on if you didn't see the last fireworks. Load of dancers here practicing. Might be something going on in the tower. It won't be the Winter Gardens because Clubland is there. Yeah, a lot of dance groups, they come down here and they just practice in front of the tower. Yeah, this lorry van here, this is where we keep all the prisoners. I'm joking. It does look like it, doesn't it? It must be an X one. Yeah, it's got to be an X one, isn't it? It's going to have a peep in the back. Yeah, refrigeration. But yeah, I thought that was quite funny to see that there. There's Sky. Some of these stalls won't open up till a bit later on. And of course you've got the beach house there with this fabulous view. Not woo, view. Right, we're heading town now because I don't know how that wind is affecting play. But we've had a good nose around, haven't we? See a green Mustang, I've got to get that in. Don't like the colour, but we get it in anyway. Very nice. Rebellers, party rebellers.
We're not even moving back yet.
We all got in.
Yeah, seeing that Mustang reminds me of my time in California in '84 when I went to the World Cup. I hired a 3-litre Camaro soft top and travelled up and down that west coast. Didn't go as far as LA, went up as far as Lake Tahoe, jet skiing up there. Yeah, I'll have a wander down there in a minute. Novice is kicking off. Shalligans, few in there drinking. These people start so early. I don't know how they do it. Turtle Bay. Caribbean food. I think you know that anyway. Yeah, it's going to be packed tonight. I think something's starting to happen here in this old bar. Scruffy Murphy's there, packed out there. Yes, every corner I turn, there's people everywhere. Great, isn't it? Great for the town.
So, yeah, we need to buy the new machine, I need to buy all this shit. Wait, I'll do it. Hey, what you got? You do it. No, nobody's doing it.
Just a false start if you get enough.
I know we walked through Abingdon Street Market, but we'll just see what it's like on a Saturday afternoon. But we walked from this end through, and yeah, let's have a quick wander through. Don't normally come in from this end. Yeah, quite a few in there. And we come out back into the sunshine at Cedar Square. Yeah, just looking down Topping Street there. very, very colourful outside Mark Kelly's there. See if we can get a close look at people in their fancy dress. Right, yes, the party started for most people. I hope they have a great weekend. Well, Jimmy fast asleep there. Right, we've got a bit of a queue going on here. The trams, haven't we? Look at this lot. 3 trams. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video there. And yeah, I enjoyed this being the second Saturday one. And I've got to go home and do some editing now and have a rest, so I will catch you all again very, very soon. Take care, have a great weekend and stay safe.